Now, next is the petroleum, how the petroleum is formed. The process of conversion of dead vegetation into the coal is called as the carbonization, that we have seen before it. It is a very slow process. How the coal is formed, the story is given on page number 57. You have to read that story. So this petroleum means the petroleum product, petrol and diesel, which we use in our vehicles, in motor vehicles or in cars, in two-wheelers. Is it? This is also a natural sources. This petroleum was formed from the organism living in the sea. एस मीन्स जो सी के अंदर लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं वो मर जाते हैं. देयर बॉडीज it goes at the bottom of the sea and slowly they got covered with the layer of sand and clay. It takes a long period time. It takes millions of years, and without oxygen, in absence of air, and at a high temperature and high pressure, they are transferred into the dead organism. That is called as the petroleum, or you can call it natural gases. Here it is, this figure is given here. You have to draw this figure, petroleum and natural gas deposit in the notebook. This petroleum product, they get deposited at the bottom of the sea. The layer containing petroleum oil and gas is above that of water because they are lighter in weight, and this petroleum product, they do not get mixed with the water. This petroleum, actually it is a crude oil or raw material. This raw material can be refined and converted into the different layers, different forms. That refining process is called as the fractionalization. That is carried out in a refinery. That refinery is known as the petroleum refinery. So here, see the picture of petroleum refinery on page number 60 is given. Various constituent of petroleum is taken out from it, like petroleum gas, LPG. This LPG is used in a fuel at homes and industries. Petrol, motor fuel, एविएशन फ्यूल. एविएशन मीन्स जैसे हेलीकॉप्टर या एरोप्लेन में, जेट प्लेन में. सॉल्वेंट फॉर ड्राई क्लीनिंग के लिए यूज होता. केरोसिन, फ्यूल फॉर स्टोव्स, लैम्प्स एंड फॉर जेट एयरक्राफ्ट्स. डीजल is used in heavy motor vehicles, electric generators. Lubricating oil, जो lubrications में यूज होता है, big machineries और साइकिल में भी तुमने यूज किया होगा, so that their part does not get wear out. That is used for lubrications. Paraffin wax is used in ointments, candles, Vaseline, etc. And bitumen, one type of coal that is used in paints and road surfacing for making the coal tar. So these are the different constituents of petroleum and their uses. The natural gas. This natural gas is very important fossil fuel because it is easy to transport through pipes. Natural gas is stored under high pressure, so it is known as the CNG. CNG means compressed natural gas. It is also used for generating power. Now it is also used as a fuel for transports vehicle because it is having, or it gives less pollution. It is a cleaner fuel. The another advantage of CNG is that is used directly for burning in homes and factories where it can be supplied through pipes. गुजरात में अपने सूरत में जनरली दिस CNG is supplied. अपने घर में जो कुकिंग गैस आता है थ्रू पाइप्स आता है और ये CNG होता है. इन व्हीकल्स ऑल्सो वी fill it and use it. Such a network of pipeline exists in Vadodara, some parts of Delhi and other places. Natural gas is also used as a starting material for the manufacture of a different chemicals and the fertilizers. India has the large reserves of natural gases, and in our country these natural gases is found in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and in the Krishna Godavari delta. Now the sum of the natural resources, they are limited. In India, the petroleum conservation, I can hold like this. The Petroleum Conservation Research Association, the abbreviation form is PCRA. This advises people how to save petrol or diesel while driving. The tips are: drive at a constant and moderate speed as far as possible. अगर तुम्हारी कार या तुम्हारा व्हीकल 80 किलोमीटर स्पीड पे जा रहा है तो कभी 100, कभी 120, कभी 60. Don't do that. You have to run it mostly at a constant speed. Switch off the engine at a traffic lights or at a place where you have to wait. Ensure correct टायर प्रेशर, जो टायर के अंदर प्रेशर होता है वो सही है या नहीं, दैट ऑल्सो यू हैव टू चेक इट. और जहाँ क्रॉस पॉइंट होता है, ट्रैफिक लाइट्स होते हैं, वहाँ अगर समय लगने वाला हो तो यू हैव टू स्विच ऑफ योर vehicle engine. Means ensure the correct tire pressure and ensure the regular maintenance of the vehicles. Okay, so this is about our lesson number 5, coal and different its constituents. All of you understood it? So in this way we have finished this lesson number 5, coal and petroleum. Thank you. You have to write all the question and answers. Read it properly. Read the lesson carefully. Now in this end of the August, there will be the science test. Lesson 1, 2, 3, 4 will be in exam. The timetable will be given by principal afterwards. But you have to study from now. Whatever the questions I had given, you have to write in it. You have to make a separate notebook and write it under your parents' supervision. The date will be given by the principal afterwards. Okay.